Let's work on this. We are asked to find A. As you can see, this alone is base A. Okay? This two is base A. This is base A. Because these two, they have the same base, I will take one. This is plus. I will multiply these ones together. Okay? Now let's come to this other side. That's equal to okay? As you can see, this and this are the same. So therefore, this and this can be equated together. Okay? Let's expand this. This multiplied by this will give us what? 10x squared. This and this will give us 15x. This and this will give us 12x. This and this will give us 18. Okay? It means therefore we have this as plus 3x minus 18 equal to okay? Next, I am going to bring everybody to this other side. All of them should come for a family meeting. So this one will come and join the one with same power. Then this one with only one S will come and join his friend. This will also come and join. So 0 is remaining on the other side because there's nothing here again. That is what 0. Please remember, when this is coming to this side, it's minus. When this minus is crossing, it becomes what? Plus. Okay? And when this minus is coming to this side, it becomes plus. This and this is gone. This is 6x. This will give us minus 13 equals to 0. Now we want only s to remain. For this to remain, we move this again to the other side. You move it here, you later move it back. Doesn't matter, okay? I divide both sides by 6 so that s will remain. This is the answer. All this is understood. Thank you for viewing.